how to change YouTube location on country and watch other countries trending video. Hi guys, welcome back. In this episode, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can change your location or a country in order to watch other countries trending videos on YouTube. So in order to do this procedure, first of all, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. So there are different ways on doing it. So I'm going to be showing you some of the easiest way on how you can do it. First thing, open up a browser and type in youtube.com, and that's going to take you to the official web page of the YouTube account. Once you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now, basically, in order to watch the trending videos, you have to first of all direct to the home page. So tap on the tab bar icon from the top left hand side, and from right over here, you need to go to the option that says trending. After that, you'll be able to see this sort of interface. So basically what you have to do is, while you're on this page, you have to tap on the three dot icon located in the top right hand side, or click on the profile icon, and here you need to go to settings, and here you'll be able to find the three dot icon, or you can just go ahead and tap on the profile icon, and then you can change the country or switch the country that you're actually residing on. And after that, you can refresh it and you'll be able to see or watch videos that's not available in the country. Or else, if you're unable to do this procedure, then you can also use VPN. For that you'll need to install a VPN, and after installing the VPN, then you can set the country of your choice and accordingly watch the trending videos of the following countries. So here you can see there's this location, so accordingly you can make changes with your location. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.